stroll reminds me part more fun, and let's make learning English more fun. There are several homophones that almost everyone gets confused at some point. These pairs are tricky because they sound alike. Affect and effect. Accept and accept. Already and already. If you don't want to be confused anymore, stay with me. Okay? Aja, let's start. Affect versus effect. What is affect? It can be a verb and a noun. Affect as a verb can mean to act on and cause a change in someone or something. Example: rainfall affects plant growth. Okay? Another, affect as a verb can also mean to produce an emotional response in someone. Example: Jen traveled to Manila and was deeply affected by what she saw. How about affect as a noun? Means feeling, emotion, or a specific emotional response. Example: restricted, flat, or blunted affect may be a symptom of mental illness, especially schizophrenia. What about effect? It can also be a verb and a noun. Effect as a verb means to bring about or to cause to come into being. Example: all this rain will affect a grape harvest. Effect as a noun is the result of an action or change. Example: exposure to the sun had the effect of toughening his skin. We can use both affect and effect in a sentence. Example: the cold weather affected the crops. The effect of the cold weather was a lower yield. Okay, affect and effect. Now you know? Okay, next. Accept versus accept. What is accept? It is a verb that means to agree or to take or receive. Example: when Paul asked May to marry him, she happily accepted. What about accept? It usually functions as a preposition or conjunction. It can be a verb also. First, accept as a preposition is followed by a noun. Example: we haven't told anyone except Casey's mom. Second, accept as a conjunction is followed by a clause or a verbal phrase. Example: I'd go and see him myself, except I don't know where he lives. Third, accept as a verb means to not include someone or something. Example: certain risks may be accepted from the terms of an insurance contract. Let's use both accept and accept in a sentence. Everybody that applied for that program was accepted, except for Dahlia. Okay, accept versus accept. Now you know. Next one. Already versus already. What is already? It is used to say that something, someone, or everyone in a group is completely prepared. Examples: they are all ready for the congregation meeting. Okay, next. Mark and Lovely are all ready for the wedding. Okay, what about already? It is an adverb that can mean first, before now. Example: they have already eaten, so they are not hungry now. Second, already can mean before a specified time. Example: by the time I got there, she has already left, so we did not meet. Third, already can mean so soon. Example: do we have to leave already? It was so much fun! Okay, here is our tip. Ready can replace already, but not already. Examples: Lyra is all ready. It can also be Lyra is ready. Okay, next. I have already seen this film. Let's change it to ready. I have already seen this film. Oh, no, obviously that is wrong. Okay, I hope everything is clear now. Already versus already. Okay, very good.